Hello friends, in last video we already covered the problems on irrotational vector field. So today we will take one problem on solenoidal as well as irrotational. So after this problem your concept will clear, means when F bar is solenoidal and when F bar is irrotational. So today's problem is show that F bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar upon x square plus y square is solenoidal as well as irrotational. And if F bar is irrotational, then find scalar point function phi such that F bar equal to del phi. So first we have to show that F bar is solenoidal. Now you think about this F bar and decide when F bar is solenoidal and when F bar is irrotational. So we know that F bar is solenoidal when we say that F bar is solenoidal if del dot F bar equal to 0. Means for solenoidal we have to show that del dot F bar equal to 0. Now given that F bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar upon x square plus y square can be written as x upon x square plus y square into I bar plus y upon x square plus y square into j bar and plus 0 k bar. Okay, so this is F bar given A and we have to show that this F bar is solenoidal. Means when we say that F bar is solenoidal, if we get the value of this del dot F bar is 0. So we will find here del dot F bar. Now what is del? We know that del is I bar dabba by dabba x plus j bar dabba by dabba y plus k bar dabba by dabba z. Dot F bar a x upon x square plus y square into I bar plus y upon x square plus y square into j bar and plus 0 k bar. Why we take here 0? Because del is given in terms of this I bar, j bar, k bar. So k bar is not given in F bar, so right coefficient of k bar is 0. So 0 k bar is 0. Now what is this dot product? We know that dot product of two vector is a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, means that is multiplication of coefficients of I bar, j bar, k bar. So here dabba by dabba x, right, first, then in F bar coefficient of I bar is x upon x square plus y square plus next one is dabba by dabba y into this coefficient of j bar is y upon x square plus y square and last one is plus dabba by dabba z into coefficient of k bar is here 0, that is 0, derivative of 0 is 0. Now how we find derivative of x upon x square plus y square? So with respect to x we have to take partial derivative of this function, and for partial derivative we have to use u by v rule because x is present in numerator as well as denominator. So what is u by v rule? First take v as it is, means v write x square plus y square into derivative of u by v rule में क्या होता है? v into derivative of u. Derivative of u means derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus u, that is x into derivative of v. Derivative of x square plus y square with respect to x क्या आएगा? 2x, because with respect to x y is constant, derivative of y square is 0, divided by v square. V square means x square plus y square bracket square. So this is the derivative of first function. Plus similarly you can take derivative of this y upon x square plus y square with respect to y using u upon v rule. So again v means denominator a x square plus y square, that is v as it is, and derivative of y with respect to y is 1 minus u means that is this y as it is into derivative of x square plus y square with respect to y is 2y, because derivative of x square is 0, divided by x square plus y square bracket square and plus last one is derivative of 0 is 0. Okay, now after simplification, what is this? Denominator of both terms are same, we can take LCM. And what about numerator? Here numerator is x square plus y square minus 2x square plus x square, this x square, plus y square minus 2y square divided by x square plus y square bracket square And if you observe carefully here, this y square plus this y square is 2y square, and this minus 2y square get cancelled. Similarly, this x square plus this x square is 2x square, 2x square minus 2x square get cancelled. So this is 0 upon x square plus y square bracket square means 0. So from this we get here del dot f bar equal to 0. And if del dot f bar is 0, then we can say that f bar is solenoidal. F bar is solenoidal vector field. Okay, so first part is over here. Our question was, show that f bar is solenoidal as well as irrotational. So f bar is solenoidal here, first part is over. Now we have to show that f bar is irrotational. Now when f bar is irrotational, if del cross f bar equal to 0, so we have to find del cross f bar also. Now to show f bar is irrotational, so when we say that f bar is irrotational, if del cross f bar equal to 0, so for that we have to find del cross f bar. And how we write del cross f bar? Using determinant. Del is I bar, j bar, k bar. First row is I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row dabba by dabba x, dabba by dabba y, dabba by dabba z. And third row from f bar, this is our f bar. So this is f1, f2, f3. So f1 is x upon x square plus y square, f2 is y upon x square plus y square, and f3 is 0. So after expanding this determinant, expansion of determinant is I bar into its minor dabba by dabba y of 0, that is 0, minus dabba by dabba z of this, means dabba by dabba z of y upon x square plus y square, minus j bar into its minor dabba by dabba x of 0 is 0, minus dabba by dabba z of x upon x square plus y square, and plus k bar into its minor is dabba by dabba x, this is important, dabba by dabba x of y upon x square plus y square, minus dabba by dabba y of x upon x square plus y square. So what is the simplification of this? This is equal to I bar into, now this is 0 dabba by dabba z, derivative of this function with respect to z, इसमें z कहीं भी नहीं है, so with respect to z this total term is constant, and derivative of constant function is always 0, so this is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, means 0 I bar. Okay, minus j bar into, same here with respect to z, derivative of this term is 0, so 0 j bar, and plus k bar into, what is the derivative of this, y upon x square plus y square. We know derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square, so with respect to x this y is constant, so we can write derivative of this function is minus y upon x square plus y square bracket square into derivative of x square plus y square with respect to x is 2x. Okay, same here, minus sign है, derivative of this function with respect to y is minus x upon x square plus y square bracket square into derivative of x square plus y square with respect to y is 2y. So if you observe carefully here, minus 2xy upon x square plus y square whole square, and this minus plus 2xy upon x square plus y square whole square get cancel, means we get here again 0 k bar, so this is equal to 0, means del cross f bar equal to 0. And if del cross f bar is 0, then we can say that f bar is irrotational. And if f bar is irrotational, then we have to find scalar point function phi such that f bar equal to del phi. So how we find phi? For that we have to use formula phi is equal to integration of f1 dx plus integration of f2 dy free from x, and plus integration of f3 dz free from x and y plus constant of integration c. So this is equal to integration of, what is our f1? f1 is x upon x square plus y square into dx, plus terms of f2 free from x is 0, there are no terms free from x, that is 0, and plus f3 is 0 plus constant c. Now how we take integration of x upon x square plus y square? So how to adjust your derivative? We know that integration of f dash of x upon f of x. If we take f of x is equal to x square plus y square, then f dash of x derivative is 2x dx. So multiply and divide by 2 here. And we know that integration of f dash of x upon f of x is log of f of x. So this is 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square plus h. This is the scalar point function phi. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही. Next video we will start vector identities, and that is very important topic. Okay, so we'll see in next video.